In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the app na2.hubspot.com platform efficiently with just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in and get started with optimizing your usage of the user guide and subscription settings within HubSpot. First, you'll want to head over to the user guide section on HubSpot's website. This is an incredibly valuable resource where you can find detailed instructions and guidance tailored to different aspects of your HubSpot experience. You can access this by opening your web browser and navigating to appna2.hubspot.com and logging into your account if prompted. Once you're on the homepage, look at the main navigation bar and locate the user guide link. Clicking this will direct you to a comprehensive list of help articles and tutorials that can enhance your understanding of the platform. Now that you're inside the user guide, find a particular feature or topic that sparks your interest or that you need more clarity on. Let's say you want to learn more about managing your highlights. Locate the highlight section, which might be a button or a link, and click on it. This feature helps you emphasize key information or settings, making it easier to manage and access later. Leveraging highlights can vastly improve your productivity and navigation within HubSpot, allowing you to focus on what's most important to your business needs. Next, we'll shift over to managing your blog settings by clicking on Blog. This section allows you to access specific options related to your blog's setup and content distribution. Once you're in the blog settings, it gives you the opportunity to adjust how your content is shared across channels, aligning with your audience's preferences and needs. Following this, it's time to address your subscription preferences. Click on the Subscriptions tab, which will guide you to an area where you can manage how you and your audience receive updates and notifications. This part of HubSpot ensures that you and your subscribers stay informed about the latest posts or changes to your blog, thus maintaining a steady line of communication and engagement with your audience. Continuing in the Subscriptions section, there's an option for blog subscriber notification emails. Click this to fine-tune how your subscribers receive updates. It's crucial to make sure these settings are aligned with your communication strategy so your audience remains engaged and well-informed. Finally, discover the RSS feed feature by clicking on it. An RSS feed allows your users to stay connected with automated updates about your blog activity. Ensuring this is correctly set up can significantly enhance your reach and subscriber satisfaction. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now navigated through some of the key components of HubSpot's platform, optimizing your user experience and ensuring your content is articulated effectively. Take advantage of these features to fully harness the power of HubSpot for your business's growth and success. Thank you for watching, and try these steps to see the improvement in your HubSpot engagement today.